The world didn't burn in nuclear fire. It didn't drown in rising oceans. It just got tired. People stopped fighting, stopped asking questions, stopped feeling. And that's when they offered us a solution. Simple, hot, served in a paper cup with a glowing neon logo. After the great burnout of 24, three megacorporations quietly, without firing a single shot, monopolized the last small joy humanity had left: morning coffee. They bought the plantations, crushed the small farmers, replaced everything with one single brand. But have you ever stopped to wonder why your latte now tastes like compliance? Why, after that first sip, the world feels bearable, your boss feels fair, and the 16-hour shift feels normal? Because the real coffee plantations have been dead for over a year. What they pour into your cup every morning isn't arabica, it isn't robusta, it's synthetic K, a chemical neuro-cocktail engineered in underground labs no one is supposed to know exist. It shuts down your will, suppresses critical thought, creates a dependency stronger than any narcotic. One cup in the morning and you're ready to work, stay quiet, obey. 2 cups and you forget you ever wanted something more. 3 and you simply stop caring. They sell us slavery disguised as energy. Productivity is up. Protests drop to 0. People smile for the cameras and thank the corporation for the privilege of working. A perfect world, perfect slaves. But in the catacombs beneath the old cities, a resistance is growing. Coffee smugglers risk their lives to move a handful of real beans past corporate checkpoints. Because one sip of genuine espresso can shatter the synthetic haze, tear the veil from your eyes, and give you back the one thing they stole: your own mind. The corporation already knows about us. They're already searching. Time is almost up. So I leave you with one simple question. Look at the cup in your hand. Look at it carefully. What was really poured into it this morning? Wake up.